Welcome to my channel. Scanner not working on your printer? Try these fixes. Step 1. Check the printer connection. Make sure your printer is securely connected to your computer with a USB cable or connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Restart your devices. Turn off the printer and computer, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn them back on. Step 3. Verify the scanner is ready. Check the printer's display for any error messages, warning lights, or notifications that could prevent scanning. Step 4. Inspect the scanner glass. Open the scanner lid and make sure the glass is clean and free from dust, fingerprints, or paper scraps. Step 5. Confirm scanner detection. Open your computer's printer settings and verify that the scanner appears in the list of available devices. Step 6. Update printer and scanner drivers. Install the latest drivers from the printer manufacturer's website to ensure proper communication. Step 7. Check the scanning software. Open your scanning application and make sure the correct scanner is selected as the default device. Step 8. Reconnect the wireless network. For Wi-Fi printers, reconnect the printer to your wireless network and confirm it has a strong signal. Step 9. Run a scanner troubleshooter. Use your operating system's built-in troubleshooter to automatically detect and fix scanning issues. Step 10. Perform a test scan. Place a document on the scanner glass and run a test scan. If it works, your scanner is ready to use again. Thanks for watching.